हेलो नमस्ते एवरीवन, दिस इज अंकिता एंड यू गाइस हैव ट्यून इनटू माय चैनल। सो आज का जो वीडियो है इट्स अ वेरी शॉर्ट वीडियो जहाँ पे मैं आपको बताऊंगी सबसे सस्ते फेस मास्क के बारे में। सो यस, यू हर्ड मी राइट, मैं आपको बताऊंगी सबसे सस्ता फेस मास्क कैसे बनाते हैं एंड द बेनिफिट्स दैट इट हैज। And of course most of you would know about this, so it's just a refresher session for all of you. And this can be used by both guys and girls, so it's not just for the girls, the guys can also use it. So dun ta-da! So this is the face mask that I am talking about. तो ये फेस मास्क जो मैंने बनाया है इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली होममेड ऑर्गेनिक फेस मास्क जो कि मैंने बनाया है विद द हेल्प ऑफ बेसन जो कि है मेन इंग्रेडिएंट। सो आई हैव टेकन 3 tablespoon of बेसन, half teaspoon of हल्दी, and just to mix it I have put in 4 to 5 tablespoon of milk. You can replace milk with lemon also, पर मेरे केस में मैंने मिल्क लिया है because I have got a lot of summer boils on my skin and the use of lemon से वो थोड़ा irritate हो सकता है, so I am avoiding lemon, but you can go in for lemon also to mix the mixture well. Also, if some of you want to mix honey, you can go ahead with that, but I don't have honey at home, तो वो मैंने use नहीं किया है of course. And I'll just show you the consistency of how this should be. Not very runny, but it has to be as runny so that आप अपनी skin पे इसको apply कर सको. And I'm sure बचपन से most of us have been using this face mask, also called as Upton. The best face mask is always homemade. You know what ingredients you are putting in, क्या उसमें जा रहा है, and how it will be impacting your skin. So ऐसा नहीं होता है कि you spend a lot of money and then you go in for a patch testing जहाँ पे you try whether the product actually suits your skin or not. So this is something that is always a go-to mask. You can say जो कि आप घर में बना सकते हो and you can apply it. So I apply it every 15 days, but then you can apply it weekly as well. But then again it depends on how your skin is taking it. अगर आपकी skin बहुत ज़्यादा sensitive है then I would recommend कि आप every 15 days ये mask लगाएं so that the skin doesn't get rashes. So I'll just take you close and show you how I apply this. So आपको थोड़े quantity में लेना है and you have to apply it in the direction of your hair growth. So do not apply it in the opposite direction of the hair growth. So don't worry if you dirty your hair as well, क्योंकि इसमें कोई oil content नहीं है. You can easily remove it from the hair जो गंदे हो गए हैं. Do not go very close to the eyes because I intend to scrub it off my face and जो eyes के पास की skin होती है बहुत ज़्यादा sensitive होती है. So I avoid going very near to the eyes. I go as close as possible to the eyebrows. So I'm done applying it on my face and I'll also recommend you guys to apply it on the neck. क्योंकि you want your face and the neck to be of the same color. In the meanwhile, I'll take you through the benefits of this. As I said, it is completely homemade, so you are completely aware of the products you're using. Unlike whatever you buy from the market, तो आपको पता होता है इसमें कौन से ingredients जा रहे हैं. Secondly, the use of turmeric in this mixture acts like an antiseptic, and if in case you have acne etc, it helps to clear those as well. And besan, as you all know, has cleansing properties, तो इससे skin cleanse होता है. So yeah, we are done applying this. Of course मेरा बहुत सारा mixture बच गया है. So what I do as per my personal preference is मैं अपने arms पे भी इसको लगा लेती हूँ because it cleanses and removes the dead skin. When I scrub it off while bathing, so that's what I do. So after applying this mask, you have to leave it on for around 15 minutes, and 15 minutes के बाद you either just wash it off with the help of cold water. What I do, it's just my personal preference, is I scrub it off my face so that I get rid of the dead skins that might have accumulated on the face. तो मैं वो करती हूँ. Of course, if your skin is very sensitive, I will not recommend that. तो आप just cold water से इसको wash कर ले. And I have been using this mask since I was, say, around 15 years old, and this mask does wonders. And as all of you might also be aware, it must have worked for you all also. So keep trying these homemade remedies for your skin, because I think that's the best that you can do to your skin in this quarantine. So what I'll do is I will wait for 15 minutes for this to dry and scrub it off, and I will show you the result that I get from applying this mask. So I'll just be back. So here I am back after washing the face mask, and you can see the skin has started glowing. And कभी कभी immediate effect नहीं दिखता है, so you see the impact एक दिन बाद, एंड लिटरली द स्किन स्टार्ट्स ग्लोइंग. एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो मैं आप सबको बताना भूल गई is that after the basin mask dries up on the skin, it becomes a little hard. So before just scrubbing it off like I do, आप थोड़ा सा water splash कर लें, नहीं तो skin पे rashes आने के chances हो सकते हैं. So I think this is something that we all can try. And with the help of all the ingredients like besan, haldi, milk, curd, honey, आप सब अपने घर में सबसे सस्ता फेस मास्क बना सकते हैं. सो गोइंग फॉर द इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो आपके स्किन को सबसे ज़्यादा सूट करता है. डू नॉट बी वेरी हार्श ऑन योर स्किन. So you can see the magic of all the home ingredients that it does on the skin, and my skin has literally started glowing. If you guys can see, I think it does. So in the comment section below, do let me know कि आप अपने घर पे कौन सा फेस मास्क बनाते हो एंड यूज करते हो जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा सूट करता है. एंड इवन आई कैन ट्राई आउट दोज, सो आई एम इन सर्च ऑफ ऑल दोज ऑलवेज. आई होप आप सबको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. सो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, एंड सी यू अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय फॉर नाउ.